Meaning of diary.
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 Diary. A diary is a personal record of daily events, thoughts, and feelings. It is typically written in chronological order and kept for personal use rather than for public consumption. The word diary comes from the Latin word diarium, which means daily allowance or daily journal. Diaries can be used for a variety of purposes, such as recording memories, tracking progress towards goals, or simply as a way to sort through one's thoughts and emotions. They can be kept in physical notebooks or electronically using digital tools like apps or software.